In this lecture, we will continue our discussion on logical equivalence with quantifiers. Okay, so these are the 4 points that we'll study today. So before going to these 4 points, so let us first draw the truth table for the conditional and biconditional logical operators. So we can have, so let's suppose A, B, okay, and we can have the truth table for the conditional operator and biconditional logical operator. Okay, 4 possible combination: false, true, false, true. So these are the 4 possible combinations. So here false, false is true, here false, true is true, true, false is false, true, true is true. Okay, so this is the conditional A, conditional B, A biconditional B, false, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, true, true, true. Okay, now come to the first point, A. Now we have to prove the left hand side is not equivalent with the right hand side here. So we take one counter example. If in the example we can prove that left hand side is not equivalent with the right hand side, then that is enough. Okay, so let us take a universe of discourse S1, or you may say the domain. Okay, in S1 we have set of person, okay, or set of people. So let's suppose one person is rich as well as intelligent. Another person is rich as well as intelligent, and another person is only rich, another person is only intelligent. Let's suppose we have only 4 persons in this universe of discourse. Okay, now let us study the left hand side of A. Okay, so left hand side of A is for all I. Okay, so what is the truth value of this? So it means if a person is rich, then he is intelligent. Okay, so is it the case that if all person are rich, then they are intelligent? No, only some person are rich, then they are intelligent. The first 2 person are rich, then they are intelligent, but the third person, he is rich but he is not intelligent. Okay, so the truth value of this is false, because it is we have a universal quantifier we have here. Okay, now let us find out the truth value for the right hand side here. Okay, so for all are conditional for all I. Okay, so let us first find out the truth value for all R here, the first term. So for all R means is all people are rich here? No, so it is false. Is all people are intelligent here? No, only 3 people are intelligent. So all people are not intelligent, so it is false. So in the truth table, false, false, it's true. Okay, so see here, the left hand side is false and the right hand side is true. Okay, so here hence for all R conditional I is not equivalent with all R conditional for all I. Okay, then come to second. So in the second we take another universe of discourse S2. Here we have same 4 person, 2 person are rich and another 2 person are intelligent. Okay, so let's suppose this we have. Now let us have the left hand side. We have there exist R conditional I. Okay, so is there at least one person who is rich then intelligent? No. Okay, so there is the truth value is false here, because there is no at least one person who is rich then intelligent. Now come to find out the right hand side. Okay, now what is the truth value of this? There exists R. So is there at least one person who is rich? Yes, that is true. Is there at least one person who is intelligent? Yes, true. So in this truth table, true conditional true is equal to true. Okay, when you compare these two, it is very clear that left hand side is not equivalent with the right hand side. Okay, now come to third, C. Okay, for third we'll take the same universal discourse here as 3. We have, let's suppose, R I 2% are rich and 2% are intelligent. Okay, so now find out the left hand side. Okay, so here for all, if a person is rich, if and only if he is intelligent. So is there the case that for all person, if a person is rich, if and only if he is intelligent? But in the universal discourse, no person is rich and intelligent. Understand? Only person are rich. Either they are rich or they are intelligent. They are not both. So we cannot have this biconditional. Okay, so this since there is no person, okay, so no person who is rich and intelligent, or we may say no person is rich if and only if he is intelligent. So we can have the truth value for this is false. Okay, now let us find out the truth value for the right hand side. Okay, so this one is for all r, biconditional for all I. Okay, so let us find out the truth value for this. For all r, is all person are rich? No, it is false. Is all person are intelligent? No, it is false. So false biconditional false is equal to true according to this truth table. Okay, so when we compare these two, we get the conclusion that for all r, biconditional I is not equivalence with for all r, biconditional for all I. Come to the last one. Here we have, let's suppose we take same universal discourse. Okay, so let us solve the left hand side first. Okay, so is there any at least one person who is rich if and only if he is intelligent? Okay, so it's very clear in this universal discourse either person is rich or intelligent. Okay, so this the truth value for this is false. Now find out the right hand side. The truth value for this is some person are rich? Yes, true. Is some person are intelligent? Yes. So true is true. True biconditional true is true. Hence both are not same. So we have conclusion that there exists r biconditional I is not equivalence with there exist r biconditional there exist I. Okay.